Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For today's video, I thought I would change it up a little bit, do a fashion video for my fashion followers. I love to mix my DIYs, my home decor, and of course my fashion. It's been a little while since I did fashion, and since we are in fall, I thought it would only be appropriate for me to do a fall fashion video. In the summertime, I love my boho style, and in the wintertime, I tend to go towards more grunge, witchy, punk vibes. I recently got 7 pieces from Shein. If you guys don't know Shein, I've talked about them in several of my videos. I think that they're an affordable, fashionable store. I've partnered up with them. They're super sweet. They're giving a discount code. If you're interested in any of the pieces that I am wearing in this video, then the links will be down below. What I thought I would do for this video is I'm not going to talk through each piece. What I thought I would do is go ahead and show you my 7 outfits using my 7 pieces that I got. Let me know if you prefer when I do hauls where I talk about each piece, or that I talk a little bit at the beginning and then show you guys the end results. So comment down below, let me know what you prefer. I want you to be happy and enjoy watching my content, so to me that's like super important. So anyway, I created 7 all black looks. I think all black is classy, it's timeless. There are so many ways you can wear it, dress it up, dress it down. You can play around with texture, dimension, layering. I think black is so sexy, especially in the winter time. I tend to go towards that because I love to layer. I love color as well in the winter time, but I tend towards maybe more fall, beginning winter. I go into the whole all black look. So I thought I would do 7 outfits for, I guess, the whole week using 7 pieces from Shein. There are so many other ways you can wear them. You can switch up things. Like, this is the way I wore them. Today I'm wearing this sort of bustier with a lace top, and last time I wore it with a t-shirt. So there are so many ways that you can wear all of the pieces. You don't need to go crazy and buy a whole bunch of them, but I think getting certain pieces like black pants, a blazer, maybe a coat, maybe a top, and a little accessory, I think are ways that you can play around with different looks, but you do have to have those statement pieces. Anyway, I'm super happy of the pieces that I got. I hope you guys enjoy the looks. I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna jump right into it. Enjoy. is my 7 all black looks. I am liking a little bit of the brown as well, so I thought I would add a little pop of brown and of course a lipstick to sort of elevate the looks. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know what you think. If you do enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. It melts my heart. It lets me know that you guys are enjoying the content that I'm putting out there for you. Thank you all so much for watching. You guys are the best. I love you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.